Hey guys, it's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is my 9th and last video on this wonderful Sunday. Today's unit is out of a 67 GTO. It comes from Jose in Sunnyvale, California. Jose has requested that this unit be converted for use with a modern or reproduction or converted radio, which means that these original systems, most of them were common ground speaker systems, and a reproduction radio or a converted radio is going to give you a huge boost in output power if you can rewire your speakers so that there's no common grounds. Now, since this unit is designed to work into a common ground system, it'll no longer work after a reproduction radio is installed for maximum output, so we need to do a conversion on the 8-track so that the 8-track will work with the radio. So that's been done. Let's pop a Neil Sedaka tape in here and check it out. Yep, got to reset my receiver. Okay, I'm going to make just a slight adjustment here. And let's pop this back in. You guys get to see me do a last minute adjustment. No, I guess you don't. Nope, it's okay as is. Maybe turn it down a bit though. Okay, there's my characteristic test tones that you're hearing. Okay, we're between songs here. Okay, well that takes care of that. It's working properly. Did we check and make sure it's got both speakers? Yes, we did, but let's do it again just to make double sure. Okay, output level check. There's both speakers. Okay, now that we've confirmed that, now we're finished. Okay, guys, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. You probably know what I'm going to say, so I won't go into all that gobbledygook. I will just say thank you, Jose, for your business from California. And my number for paying repair or conversion customers only, not to call if you're looking for a belt or a part or free advice. Those are not available here. My number is 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. I'm very happy to be finished with video number 9 on a Sunday. Thanks for watching and listening. We'll see you next time.